where you come here to come talk after you know say in your heart. So you're mentally, physically and spiritually. And to be all. She say me, oh, do you know me love you? I don't want to lose you. Of course I don't want to lose you. But now I don't give a flying.
No, sir. I don't feel so because of all no Queenie. John no star for enough young youth there with enough big woman and them not deal with them certain way. I don't know if the way not deal with a certain way, but you will come out and act certain ways, so because of your ways, you see me? Yeah man, you have some dirty ways where you would not like, you see it? And you're blind to your ways. And I don't feel so the way usually watch your video them before in meet, you know, and just might be still one video with you and I say, yo, watch that big woman, them like her and thing, you know. But when him really there with you and married you now, you really find out the type of person who you be. The man have to go in and shell you see it, and you know, stop shaming man. You stop embarrassing man family. You see it. And that Queenie depend right now. I do and madam brother and everybody should have saw this. You see it. Yo, go forward in every day and hear what she say, yeah man. Just remember to drop on a comment before you leave. You see it. Big up on yourself up top.
Yeah. Come to the cool blood show me. When you come tell me about you don't talk, go on in the house now. And I say, what? Where you do? Limitize me and talking with you? But you're up on the phone all day? All of who send for hope when me don't talk and name and shame them stand by you forever. That me have to tell you, do it. And you stand up on your foot. Because the shame of going in a march. When my shame on a never good enough. You're old yet. All the name say, oh, my forget crazy. You don't call me now. My name Janice. You don't come call me crazy. That's my signature name. My name crazy. So hear the mother now. Do it. My forget crazy. I'll do what she say. She not sorry, but she apologize. I forgive her, and you for forgive her. And the man hold a piece. Mother, your brother, and your baby mother, and yourself, your friend them and your girl them, and a sure. I said, do it. Stop it. Hello, my darling. Blessed love.
Baby. I was upset.
I like my depan. I said, do it. Stop it. Remember, say, me and you married and we becomes one. I said, do it. Stop make people influence you. Do it. People been censored when you come at England, you got turn against me. Do it. I preach. Probably want to make me look like I'm old and sad and desperate. Me all of the girls you have 100 already. Do you love what less? When you come talk about you.
Youngster, good morning.
Good morning, blessed love. When you come talk about you hear me in the kitchen, don't fabricate no during this because if me did have one backup man for mind me, you not help me, you not motivate yourself, you want show off for me, you want hype for me, you want give me attitude. Do it. Welcome to the dot that wife for your take up. What Caesar want, Caesar get what Caesar want. My granny said, who can you feel? Remember a couple hours ago I talked to you. Blessed love, madam. I said, do it. Deal with me with respect. I put a lot of work in to make you come to England. Do it. Stop taking me back over. When me I talk to you now, and Sam, it's very provoking and you know the careful on. Some man and I talk to everybody and you not talk to me. And me come in and I talk to you. You not talk to me, so I say go. Because you don't happy. Then they start show off. Oh, my cousin say, Mom, why you in a car do you for come in? So your cousin them has set up your marriage. You don't see how I look up. Papi show a press button. Are you? Your cousin the dead when you're married to me? Your cousin the dead when you came to the... It not look... Not look good because people cover up them dirty disgrace. Me not cover up no disgrace. Wanna get me when me and him nice. When him there on my back. Wanna swear me and him are married and wanna get it nice. Well now it dirty. Me not cover up.
Mommy.
Because that's how life go. That's why it get dirty. Life cut like a knife. You think you left me alone in this time, mad? I lie. Everybody I got talk and laugh. And who and shape with them. You know, come run the left me. Every minute I run. Me at the airport I'm a ball after you. You make people tell you I'm a beat your ass. But you're there train. You know say I'm out filthy more than own. And you run. And I said, Dewey, you can't run and left me with a 4 suitcase. Come. You run like me have gun or like me a killer. When you married to and I run like fool. I want to at you. Your dirty friend named Banger. Dirty Banger. Me not afraid of at you. Dewey dirty from Waterhouse. When me hear a class me yesterday. Because Dewey not send money come give for you go to court. Money for go now. And I'm moving up. You diss him up yesterday. And when me hear you diss him, I say, Dewey me never know say you come here for mine. Take your money and send go Jamaica go give man. And you tell me say me not forget involved. And I say you can't because you're my husband. And I send for you, them a pressure you. No right you not give me no nothing. No. Every time I talk you shut me down. But through my bad can't shut me down, Dewey. And that's why you see class stand up to me. Because he's a chicken head. Me tell you boy, don't make me name and shame you. Because you're not going to marry to me, confuse me. Make me a hype and a show off and I say, oh, all who don't marry is bad. I was so into my wedding, you know. I'm going to beg you today. I'm going to see a show off and see me upon the light post. See me with him look a profile. I'm going to say, Dewey, where you going for me there I talk to you? Me can't get to him no matter what. Nobody can talk to Dewey. See me upon the light post. I mean, I can't for 8 hours, you know. And the moment me come in at the car, I talk to him. Him get up and up on the light post. And I say, you know that you don't have no feelings to me and don't care about me. And it wasn't like that when me there at Jamaica. When me there at Jamaica, you itch up. But no, I don't know what's flying on your head now. So you think me I got keep silent and cover up and say, how I've got a beautiful wedding? It was beautiful. But nothing lasts forever. That's why I take my chance when it comes. You hear that? Enjoy it while it lasts. But you come tell people about, oh, my mother and my brother say, them no want crazy around on my yard. They should even repeat that out of your mouth. You as a husband, to stand up and take care of your wife. You don't know what to repeat. You will learn that this if you don't learn, you're going to your shell go ball like how you ball when they did a bash last week. Or you're crippling flat house and take it out for me. And I said, do you not go class them? You got to take it out for me and I'm idiot. You drink yourself and tell me, go and go put it on social media. Go, you know, see you drink yourself. You don't even know your worth. You don't even know your powers. You know how much time I tell you say you're powerful, you do it. Wisdom, knowledge, and understanding. When you shut down in a talk, then I come tell me about your baby mother going to shoot me. Trisha. Trish. There's so much time I calling him. Trisha from Painland. Trisha from Waterford. And Trisha with the America. Brooklyn, Flatbush. Dewey baby mother. The whole heap of people know her. Not send no threat to me, Trisha. Because God is my witness, my guidance and my protection. You hear that? I'm not afraid. I have no fear. You think you can stop me from going to Jamaica and do it? You think you can do it? When do you tell me yesterday, say no? Trisha say, anyway, you go back to our internet, go call her name. I said, I won't have to call Trisha name. But not that me out now. Your man where you and a warbear working iniquity. You know. Him no warbear cause no can't at me. Cause I still stand up to the last I fight for my wedding. Warbear working can't take me. Iniquity. Him no turn against me. Me one nice sweet cantankerous soul. Remember me tell you that. Trisha say, anytime you go back to Jamaica, Dewey, you afraid of Trisha family them? Me not afraid of none of family all when me not know them. Me not afraid of that down a Painland. I mean no one there on my page. Look for me in my eye. Me not afraid of none of honor. So if you feel like you can't one, Canada girl at this me. Me say all one of them right one time. I hope you I'm say do it. You were tell them things there. You sit down and you enter girl pit against me. And true me tell you, say, do you? No girl is not no threat to me. I don't care. You are a threat to me. You think you can't take me for a walk over to you see me humble. I want to do it. There comes a time when you need a... Remember you ran yesterday, you know, for around 1 o'clock in the day, you know. I never see you till 12 after 12 last night. Come there, ball at them. I say, crazy, I'm hungry. I say, cool liberty. I'm still getting that bed carry off. But 5 food. Remember you run way again at airport, you know. Run like some headless chicken. You now run. Me tell you, say, yesterday, my mark X. Me say, another day now run. You now run at me again, do it. Run to your cousin when you say your cousin say, I want to your dog, come in. And them I encourage you. And them now tell you to stand up as a man with your day you saw. Where you tell me send you back go your yard. But you will go back in due time, do it. Me now to send you back, cause me no want